वे पते को नहीं बेटी कुत्ता गया हाँ उधर सबसे अगल आ गया है और सबसे अगल आ गया आखिर बेटी असली बात यह है अगले निक्के होने जरा दे जाने चंगे वास्ते और बच्चे और ज़माना नहीं आएगा
और ज़माना नहीं रहा नहीं कुछ नहीं आप वो करना ये चीज़ रहता उसने आप रो रखा
जो चीज़ की नया लेना और चीज़ भी कहीं करने तो अपनी गाल नहीं छोड़ना है
दूसरे मेरी कभी फिरनी है कोई टोलनी है बुढ़ी ना
क्या रे बुढ़ी
वो बुढ़ी ना भी है
दौड़नी है कदाड़े मारनी है गोरी
हाँ
वो कदाड़े मारनी है
गोरी होनी है नाल
हाँ तू लगे चलो मैं कोल्ट के रहे ना
मैं रहना कोई पुत्र तुम पुत्र है जे अपने पुत्र पर मैं रावी बड़ा तो जाना कहीं कोई मुझे
केड़े मुड़े तुसा ने
हैं
मुड़े केड़े ने तुसा ने
मुड़े सारे
हाँ
मुड़े सना जेड़े तेरे टाखियां लगी हैं तेरे की टाखियां लगी हैं
एक कपल लमा पे है टाकियां वाला एक मैं बैठे हैं टाकियां से लगी है
तो सारे
हाँ
ना तो सुनो
मैं ऐसा ना मैं तो तालब है
हैं
मैं तो तालब ही सा ना
तालब तालब को गए
ताब सुते आप पर
अला ओ पता क्या उन्हें बड़ी राहत बड़ी लगी है क्या सिया है ना ऐसा की जगह में याद नहीं है ना बंदे याद है और ना की टाकियां लगी हैं बढ़िया
अल्लाह
बंदे के
अल्लाह तू सने जेड़े पुत्र से उन्हें टाकियां लगी हैं
उन्हें टाकियां लगी हैं सर ना
अल्लाह
मोड़े ना
अल्लाह
ये मोड़े ना तू मोड़ा उस पासों आपने को रसम टाकी लगी है ना क्या बताऊं नुकसान नहीं और जेड़े जिस कमरे च लगे सन उत्थों ही लथे मरते हैं कोई पता नहीं क्या है इन्होंने ऐसा ना नीचे ने कार वो बुक है ऐसे ना वो लेके ऐसे और फिर और का मकान में जो बोल रहा है करना है
Lama पे है
हैं
lama पे है
मैं बाड़ियां भरा का कम करना सीगा
है lama पे है
लम्मा पिया
हाँ
ना ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਲੰਮਾ ਪਿਆ ਉਹਨੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਿਆ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ
स्पिनिंग मिला विच स्पिनिंग का काम करना है
ਅਲਾ
हाँ
ਤੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਸੁਧੀ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਾ
हाँ स्पिनिंग का काम करना है
ਅਲਾ ਉਹ ਜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨੇ ਦਾ ਰਾਈਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਗੋਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨੇ ਸੁਧੀ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਬੁਲਾਉਣਾ ਚੰਗਾ तारा नाले को करना सी काम करता
हमारे ना जरा भैनू ना आंदा से पुत्र बनाई का वो करना है ना
है बड़ी ने
भैनू शाह बेगमा
हां
बंदा बाहर खलते है कोने
वो जा बंदा तुझे ही
जुलिया जुलिया
वो जया मोड़ा कोई का वो ला जाती
ना जुलिया जुलिया
ना पूरी भी आई
है
वो डॉक्टर है
ए
ये कोई डॉक्टर है
अला
आई
Hello.
sorry
Right, so you mum and you are
Adalat
yes, I thought I met you but I met you before when we were hoping that Talib would be able to come
yeah
but wasn't.
yeah
Yes.
yeah
So the idea is that I'm going to speak with Talib on his own.
okay alright
Do we know where he is?
yeah he's upstairs in bed yeah
Right, okay. So if you and me just can
Yeah.
you show us what room
yeah
it is
yeah
in?
yeah yeah come in
Is there any best way to communicate with him?
you know he's hard of hearing but I'll you come through yes come through
Okay.
alright
Right, thank you.
come through still upstairs in bed you're alright
क्या है कुरान डोले ने हां
ताल पे ना गल करता
अरे
ताल पे ना
आगा पेगा मारे ने
हाँ
भैया लम्बा ताले मास्टर से करेंगे भी आज ना लगा करता
ताल पे ना बंदे ना
और ताले तो जब मैं आ रही हूं करना करना है तो जो करे तो गल है ना वो क्या है सुनना वास्ता पता नहीं Good to hear, yeah. Come on, ready? खाना नहीं करना खाना
मैं बेटी खाई गया तुझे भूखा ही आओ बधाई दे सर हाँ बड़ी से पे
हाँ
और बेटी फिर मैं वो ला गया सने तू फिर झगड़ने सना नहीं तो मैं बड़ा दिल से तुम्हें खिदमत करा
कौन कौन चलना से
ए बे मुड़े झगड़ने सना
हाँ
नहीं तो मैं तुझे बड़ी खिदमत की है मैं बाहर आई तो अस्पताल खड़े सी बस उन्हीं डर होना कले हो गया
हाँ
बस तुझे दवा की जरूरत है अल्लाह ताला
मैं तो साथ में दुआ कर
आमीन
राम भी रखा सारी मेरी राखाने मेरी रखा रहा बहुत जो सफा है तो कोई आपको पता नहीं बड़ा बढ़िया चुहानी किया तो वो करना सी बहुत
नहीं ऐसा ना अस्पताल करना होता तो तुझे दानियां सेना था
हाँ तेरी तेरी हो सबाई है गली के अंदर कोई माल रखे आई बता
बेटी इतने कुछ कोई माल नहीं हो
हाँ हाँ जरा कोई पुराना माल है वो ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੇ ਕੋ ਛੋੜ ਕੇ
ਜੇ
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੇ
ਕਾਹਦੀ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ
ਭਾਂਡੇ ਰੱਖੇ ਨੇ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਆ
ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੱਟੇ ਗਏ ਬੇਲੇ
ਹਾਂ
ਹਾਂ
ਐਸੇ ਰੱਖੀ
ਹਾਂ
ਇਹ
ਇਹ ਫੋਟੋ ਲੈਣਾ
ਆ ਫੋਟੋ ਪਤਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ ਰੱਖਣੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੈ ਬੰਦੇ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬੰਦੇ ਰੱਖੇ ਨੇ ਕਈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ
ਇਹ
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਰੱਖੇ ਤਾਂ
ਹੈ ਭਾਈ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਉਣਾ
ਪਤਾ
ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਆਲਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਓ
ਹਾਂ
ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੋੜੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੇ ਨੌ ਆਏ ਇਤਰਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੇ ਪੋਤਰਾ ਪੋਤਰੀਆਂ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਓ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦਾ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦਾ ਅੱਬਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਹੈ
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਆਖਿਆ ਭਾਈ ਮਿੱਟੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਬਾਬਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ
ਅੱਬਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦਾ
ਹਾਂ
ਹਾਂ ਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਹੈ ਆਦਾ ਹੈ oldum ਹੈ
ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਬਿਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਵਿੱਚ
ਹਾਂ ਯਾਰ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਫੋਟੋ ਨਾ
ਹਾਂ पुरानी लेडी है उस गाय ऐसा पता नहीं कैसी बड़ी सारी नहीं आना
जे
बड़ी सारी होनी है ना वो कहानी बनती कुटी गाड़ी है क्या
चलो कुछ नहीं मारे कुछ नहीं दवा करे मारे थे बेजी सेहत नहीं ठीक रहनी सेहत नहीं ठीक रहनी
अल्लाह अल्लाह ठीक करती अल्लाह अल्लाह ठीक करती इंशाअल्लाह 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 अल्लाह ठीक करती वो इन्होंने इन्होंने ये इन्होंने कहा है ना इन्होंने ऐसा करा है कि मैं क्या मैं करेंगे कोई सिर्फ क्या क्या वो सीधे भाई इसमें क्या भाई इसमें
जी पता क्या है तुसा बीमार हो इसा ना मेरे से अस्पताल खड़िया सी तुसा दिमाग ने कुछ आया सी फिर इस मारे तुसा क्यों गल नहीं फिरनी तो बंदा वह ना तो गल्लां याद सारियां कराए पुरानियां जला आने सो पीर खाने रहने सो डंगर चारने ते जाने सब पार की याद है हमें बाणे होने सो डंगर खन्ने सा एक जगह ना डक एक जगह असां जी राखो रखी हुई होनी सी औखे वेले लाई छोड़े डंगर ते जे कोई तो फिर बंदा नाल ना आया तो सटी गए रहने चाचा निका चाचा अपने पीऊ के आने का बड़ा चाचा दाद ने पीऊ के आने का फिर तुसें स्ट्रोक होया सी ना तू ना फिर रोटी तो खाई सकने अस्पताल खड़िया सी फिर घर आंदा सी आस्ते आस्ते ठीक हो गया पर सिरा पर यादाश्त ना थोड़ा फर्क पै गया भूला गया प्यो माड़ा तब बावे की रोला पाई गया
है
मैं सारा हिसाब किताब जितना है ना क्यों भरावा ना अल्लाह जनसी करे बावे और पर बही गया तो आप भूला गया प्यो माड़ा बस मैं इस तरह तो कोई बंदा काफरों नाल नहीं सलूक करने जो सारे ना कीता ने जी
क्या
पता नहीं बेटी किया ये जो उसने पढ़ा प्रास लिया जो आपू सुन
जरा सलूक किया कीता ने
क्या पता आवाना बावे और पे सट्टी गेर लगे नाने सारे पर नाना सारा तो नहीं ना आपको तस्वीर क्या करा सो अल्लाह तौबा बुरे को तौबा
ना ये माने ने मोरे ना
अगले आने भाई दुनिया पर भी चलाना सौखे ना रहन अगे भी ना तो सौखे रहन इतना तकड़ा आजकल गल पूछी गई है इतना भी ना रहन सौखे अगे भी ना रहन सौखे तो फिर शैताने ने साथी हुई है ना
तो सना को दिला में रखो अल्लाह रखने अल्लाह सौखा
बेली क्या दिला में रखना तो लगे क्या रखना दिला में हमारी जला नाने यार नजर मारने उल्ला तो बंदे की इच्छा भी यार लगे क्या तू किता भाई बूढ़े बारे में सारी खिदमत करने अल्लाह जलसी करा उन्हें सारी खिदमत करने में
पता है वो आना से ना तो भुखे ना जान खाली तो जान रंगे चीज़ें जान खोली है अदारी खोली है ना इधर बाहर रुकने संदा हमें लोग को जोड़ने समय बेटे बारी तरह ये बेटा वो छोटे बड़े नानी जनाना का नदी है ना डंगर उसे नहीं देखो कैसे वो जान है ना वो दे जिधर दे समझ
ऊपर से
Talib ऊपर से
Let's try.
Just sit here.
Right. Where shall I
sit there.
There. Okay. So, I've met you before, haven't I? 'Cause you're the deputy
Yeah.
appointed to
Yeah.
look after the finances for Talib.
Yeah.
I'm glad that Talib's come round. We've got the gentleman to interview. I'm sorry, what's your name again?
Nawaz.
Nawaz,
Yeah.
sorry. I was in such a rush when I came.
No, don't worry about it.
So I've been asked by the Office of Public Guardian
Yeah.
to visit
Yeah.
because of the deputyship
Yeah.
that's in place, and they are looking for a way forward
Okay.
with things, because clearly there's disagreement over allowances and what money is being spent on how the deputyship should run, and obviously
Well,
they sorry.
Before you continue, they've asked me to do a card for them.
Yeah, you've got the bank account,
Yeah, this is for him.
NatWest.
Yeah.
Okay, savings account. Right. Account number ends. Oh, that's you. You must have that on there. That's your.
No, that's his. His
Yeah.
vote for it.
Yeah. But so you've got an actual account though as well.
Yeah.
Because the account number isn't on there. Just the big
Yeah,
middle
this,
number.
they told me open account for it.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So what's going into that then?
This is for Talib.
No, you're the deputy. You're supposed to look after that, aren't you? What you saying? You're going to pay the personal account.
Okay, Talib.
So you're going to pay the personal allowance into that account for him.
Yeah.
Is that,
Yeah.
so how much will be going in there?
I don't know yet because I need to ring them up.
So you're going to discuss
Yeah.
right into the new
They
account.
just told me to open the account.
Yeah. So prior to that,
Yeah.
you have been just giving money as needed.
Yeah, I have. Yeah, I've got receipts for that. Yeah.
No, I disagree with that.
Right. Well, so I know that you've expressed your views anyway, haven't you? So they're aware of that, of where things stand with that, and yeah. So can I ask who at the moment is providing the care for Talib? Who does that?
Well, that's no one.
Why is that?
Well, because of the failure of the authorities to intervene, I've asked his doctor to come involved, and clearly we'll be looking to have that discussion today. Hopefully,
एक तो साला कहाँ है?
This one doesn't belong to Talib. Because I know there's various houses. It's all been a bit confusing.
There's corporation houses there. Tenants in the room.
Right. Okay. So, why aren't you living in your own house?
तो साला आपरा कार है तो उतना क्यों नहीं रह रहे? क्या जी? उतना पहले रह रहे सो? I used to live in my own house.
Yeah. Why not now?
पर ओन क्यों नहीं रह रही हो? ओन मौजूदा तो आपरे कार क्यों नहीं रह रही हो? तुसां दा घर किधर है? किधर? Thornbury. His own house is in Thornbury.
Yeah.
उत्ते तुसां Thornbury क्यों नहीं रहने हो? तुसां Thornbury क्यों नहीं रहने हो? हैं? I've come here from Thornbury.
बाबा उस जवाब दे छोड़े सी साहे नाल रहने संत रहने से होता है उसे गला ही जब तू पूछो थकी न रहने उधर नाल रहने से ता रहने से
लेकिन वहाँ क्यों नहीं रहने?
It's part of the
वहाँ
family.
क्यों नाल नहीं कर सकते
Yeah, it's same with the family moves. I move with the family.
There you go, man.
I'm just wondering about, so what's happened to his property? Is it rented out?
Oh, मकान किधर है? Where's the house?
no access to the property
Sorry?
no one is the access to the property
So is it empty though? Is there anybody living in it?
empty it should be empty
Right, okay. And there's 2 houses, aren't there? That's 2.
but that's just one regarding it the rest the council and the moons council
Right, okay. Well, I know that they're discussing that with you anyway. It's just sort of like, as I'm here, I'm just asking that really. You've contacted social services. Have they been and done anything at all yet?
No, they haven't, no.
But you have contacted them and you've asked the doctor to get social services in.
Yes, I believe when I made the referral to yourself, it was only a situation. I mean, you've been to his room and you've seen what the situation he's living in, and it's at a stage where my concerns grew more because he was actually not engaging himself, and he was spending several days in bed without eating or anything, and and defecating and urinating on his bed and not willing to engage us. So as a result of that, I've obviously had a very great deal of serious concerns regarding the situation that now has transpired in Talib's case, where he's ended up in a situation which is clearly not to his, which is clearly to his detriment. So I've contacted, so I made a safeguarding alert to yourself, I made a safeguarding alert to Bradford Council, and I also raised this with his GP, and as I've explained, the only response we've had so far is an appointment today, but that was for his obviously there's more to do with his health issues and care needs.
Yes.
So those obviously I will have to look to address with his the district care trust and the council as to why his care provisions have been taken away from him, but that is a reality of currently why he's not receiving any care support.
Right, okay. So, I'm just looking at the questions I've asked him to ask. Right. Okay, so really it's about moving forward from here, and the Office of Public Guardian is looking at that as to what they're going to do about the whole situation.
Excuse me, you said I can have a chance to express my concerns?
Sorry, did I?
Did you not say that you have to talk to everybody?
No, I've come to see Talib mainly,
Yes.
and Adalat
Okay, alright.
particularly,
Okay,
because
well,
he's the deputy and he's the client.
yes, well, I mean obviously, and I'm the one that raised the safeguard.
Yes.
And the concerns I have, obviously you're talking about moving forward, and I understand that, but I just want to retrospectively look at what has happened so far in relation to his deputyship, because he has not been receiving any money, alright? And that is a major concern for me, and I am having to fund him. And you can Adalat say how much money has he given him since his start of his deputyship?
I've got a receipt book now. In that book, you
About
can see how many
2,000
times I've taken the money back in it. So
No, he hasn't taken the money back.
in the book, in the receipt book, will say how many he's received, how many I've taken back and banked it again.
Well, we should have got that here today, so everybody could have had a chance to view it.
You were more after his bank statement, etc.
Right.
etc. I'm not
Can I
going to
just
discuss
ask
this
you,
with-
can I just ask you, have you got the transfer documents relating to 10 Thornbury Way?
That's not happened yet.
Not got them yet.
I was told that his money's going to go through within fortnight.
And that's the court order.
Yeah.
They wanted you to send that to them though, really, not. Can
No,
you send that?
she Stephanie Hall told me to give you.
Did she? Right,
Yeah,
to,
you
maybe
can-
to look at.
You can give me back and I'll
Yeah.
finish it. Yeah, no problem.
Is that's your only copy, is it?
Yeah, I didn't refer.
Right, yeah, okay. So I need to ask you a couple of questions about that anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, so if you wanted to just tell me, I mean, as I say, mainly I'm here just to see the deputy and the client.
Yes, I understand,
but
but
if you want to,
while you're here with the deputy, could you ask the deputy when he last came to visit Talib? Because he doesn't live here.
right, what Talib said that he did.
What about
He does.
ask Adalat when he last came?
Why did Talib say then? Do you think that he lives here? How often do you visit?
No, after no.
No, but when was the last time he visited? He doesn't visit.
I'm not going to go into that.
Well, I think
I'll
it's
discuss it with him.
It
Yeah.
isn't. I mean, it
I think
isn't.
it's relevant if somebody's a deputy. I'm sorry, miss, but he does not come here.
Talib is making claim against the money you nicked off him.
Well, I'm sorry.
This is what it's all about.
I'm sorry, Talib.
You're trying to discuss this. You shouldn't be his carer. You sacked the carer and became carer yourself.
Who's the carer?
You.
You don't even know your facts, my friend. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're not the carer.
No, just hold on. If I was the carer, would I have allowed the situation to deteriorate?
I don't know.
I'm not the
I'm just
carer.
asking.
Yeah, I'm not the carer. Okay, so clearly this is what Talib gets agitated and he's having to move. He's told, what is your understanding that Adalat lives here? I can assure you that in the 6 months or 7 months that Talib Adalat has been appointee, he's only come in here on 4 occasions. And on those 4 occasions, he's come to visit his mum, not to see Talib. I've had to myself arrange for his previous carer to visit Talib, visit Adalat to get some money off him, as a result of which he has fallen and hurt himself. And subsequently, Adalat's not providing him with any money. So, but you can talk about moving forward, but what I'm trying to say is that what has happened subsequently while this deputyship has been put in place. No money has been forthcoming, alright? When he comes in here, he dictates what the terms of what money he's gonna give, and he has no involvement or pays for any involvement in the family.
I've got police letters. I was living here looking after these
I'm
two,
sorry,
and you threw me out of here.
I've got
And I will
letters.
get an argument every day,
no,
and I'm not talking
No, I'm
about
sorry,
it.
we don't
I'm not going to go into this. Is just talking ridiculous.
I know there's a lot of backstory, I do
Yeah.
know that, and I know that one says one thing and one says the other, and I don't think that's particularly constructive.
But we're talking about money.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just focus in on money. Adalat in October, as soon as he got the order, he stole Talib's bank card. We made a police report regarding this.
And he's obliged to have all the finances.
I know, but not to steal it from him.
I didn't steal it off him.
Of course you did.
I didn't steal it off him.
You did steal it from him. Please not raise your voice.
Why you keep on saying I didn't steal it? I said, what proof have you got?
Because
I didn't steal it off him.
Well, what happened then?
Yeah, I could have taken that forcefully off him.
Why
I wanted, but
you
I
could
didn't.
have taken it forcefully?
Yeah,
Why would you have taken it forcefully?
I didn't.
Why did you?
I found it underneath his bed.
So why did you not give it to him?
You're not supposed to have it because I'm the deputy.
But you.
But this is the law that's been.
What
What is
day?
he on about?
I'm
What
sorry.
is this?
This very day that you found out that you're deputy.
Why do you think I don't come here?
You don't come here because it doesn't serve your agenda.
You're just trying to make certain points here, right?
You've stolen
but the
his
thing
money.
is this year, Talib's going to get his house and his money.
No, I tell you what's going to happen.
Yeah.
You are going to get his house. All
Me?
right? That's what you played. Have you not come here and told me that you want to put Talib in a care home?
Me?
Yeah, that's what you said.
Yeah, I am going to now.
Why?
Yeah, I'm not going to leave him with you.
I think
Look at him. Did I leave him like that?
Yeah, you abandoned him.
You're putting psychological blackmail and pressure on his head.
Am I?
Yeah.
Who's shouting?
He's not going to live here no more. I won't let him live here with
Oh, so
you.
you're going to decide now, yeah?
So
Yeah, I am.
Yeah?
So does Mum get any carers in?
Yes, she does, yes.
So she has carers and she has a different room upstairs.
No, she has a room downstairs.
Right, okay. And are you here, or do you go out to work? I don't know what you're
I'm here 24/7 looking after my mum. I'm my mum's carer, alright? And obviously, I'm very concerned regarding what he's just said now that he's trying to force Talib to go into a care home. Talib lives here with his family, he lives here with me. You can have a word with him, I care.
Last time I came here, he told me you beat him up.
When was this?
Yeah,
You're
when
just
was
making
this?
things up in it.
Why have you got the cameras up for?
If I'm beating him up, I'm putting cameras up.
Yeah.
He's told me the fact that in my absence you've been electrocuting him.
Alright, look at this now, come on.
Talib,
I'm not gonna listen to
you
this
listen
rubbish
to
now.
Talib. इतना क्या करना है यार? ये बता कि इसी बात है ना क्या करना है हमारे पीछे?
आप इसको ये चला ये पैसे देने सीधा
हैं पैसे नहीं दिखा करता सी?
पैसे दे जाओ बागे
हाँ ना दरवाजे जो पैसे देने जिले में ना सही था कि मारना या कोई नहीं मारना या?
मानो ये बंदे नो छुटा
किन अंदर चंदा ना गया?
कि तू अभी पता चल तो क्यों अच्छा को जागरूक है?
So he said, yeah, he's been coming to give money through the window. I won't even let him in, and without our permission, he can't come into our house. That's what he just said, isn't it?
I don't think he said exactly like that, but no, that isn't duress because
No,
he is
duress.
blackmail करना है, emotional pressure bar 24/7. उस बंदे में क्या है? got my house for him. I want to go to Pakistan. तालब भी क्या है?
Listen, this is just a lie because what's
ये
happening?
पता क्या ये झूठ मारा है? आई जेल अभी झूठ पर क्या पढ़ा लगे?
He's using
This is not right.
No,
Listen.
Have you not taken my £30,000?
Listen.
Have you not taken my £30,000?
Listen. Well, I'm not here because of you. I'm not here.
I know you're not, but you're abusing this guy.
No, I think
This is happening in front of police. It's going on and on and on.
But you're not here, are you?
Can we just say, Talib has just said that money is handed through the window, so you have been bringing money out.
He said he
Yeah,
comes
he's
to give me
he's
money.
gone out to the car.
No, he said
I've
he's
given him
come to
money.
give
I've
me
given
money.
him money
So
through
you
window.
have given him money.
Yeah.
So you've got a record of this, yeah?
So there is money coming in
There is no
anyway.
money coming
Yeah,
in.
he has said that.
So Talib isn't right then.
No, Talib is right, yes, but you're asking over a 6-month period. He's given him £200 over a 6-month period. So Adalat's supposed to have a complete record of why is his money accumulating? It should be given to him. And that's what I've said. That
Yeah, and that's why the Office of Public Guardian, they look at accounts
Yes.
and they deal with all that.
Yes.
Obviously the deputy has responsibilities.
Why the
But
money?
he is responsible for all the money, so yes, he is right that he has access to all the accounts and that he takes any action that the court has deemed that he
Yes.
should do.
Yeah.
And they have said that about this personal ounce account for Talib, which the deputy has now done. So
Yes,
there will
yes.
be money going in so that he will be able to get that money. So he's done what he should in that
I'm
respect.
sorry, miss. Adalat's agenda is to put Talib into a care home. Now, do you think that he's clearly stated that? Now, is that in Talib's best interest?
That isn't anybody here's decision. That
No,
will
but
be
is that
down
in
to,
Talib's
that
best
will be
interest?
down to social services.
Yeah.
Yes, but
and
presently
they
he's
will
being neglected.
They will take into account Talib's views, your mum's views, your brother's views, your views. They will take the whole family picture and they will make a decision depending on how much Talib is able to say for himself.
But he's
Clearly, the care situation upstairs
It's terrible.
isn't all right.
Yes.
Clearly, your mum's things like that's a lot for you to manage on
Yes.
your own, even with people coming in, because you haven't apparently been able to help Talib. So
And the reason I've not been able to help Talib is because of Adalat's involvement.
right, so whatever the reason,
That is the reason.
clearly Talib isn't benefiting
Yes.
from the support that he should have.
Yes.
And that's what social services will look at. That is not to do with the Office of Public Guardian, is to do, they've noted the safeguarding, they have
Made a
spoken
referral.
to the relevant people,
Yes.
which is what their responsibility is, insofar as any information they get like that. But their authority is solely to do with the money,
Yes.
making sure that they know where the money is, they know that the court order has been acted upon, they are very keen for that to happen,
Okay.
and also for Talib to have regular personal allowance, which is now in the process of being set up.
But why has it not been set up in the past? Why has it taken me to put a safeguard in place in order for this action to take place?
I don't know whether they'd already spoken to you about the personal allowance at that point or not, but clearly there was a deputyship account in place in which the money was going in, and it's down to the deputy how
But-
they organise payment of that money. Now, if somebody is not getting any money, clearly there's questions to be raised about
Yes,
that.
yes.
But there is nothing wrong with the deputy deciding that in particular circumstances the right way is to give the person cash
Yes.
once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, however it works, because there's a whole different, it depends on the person's needs.
So can you explain to me what has Talib been living off for the last 6 months, 7 months?
Well, that's not for me to say.
Well,
I'm being told what's being said.
Yes, so he's given £200, £200 or £400 on 2 occasions over the last 7 months. And at one stage, I was ringing him every day to come here, and he would refuse to come.
I think part of it, you moved back home at some point in this,
Yes,
didn't
a
you?
year ago.
And yeah, they had some sort of a system going at that point.
No, they
I
didn't.
believe.
No, they didn't.
And
This is
then,
going.
so I'm just looking. Yeah, the court order was last year.
No. The court order was this year.
No, that the deputyship court order.
Yes, and
was
had
last year.
Talib not objected to this?
I don't know about
Yes,
that.
yes,
I don't
Talib
know.
had objected, my
Well,
sister had
that's-
objected,
yeah.
and Adalat should not be the court.
Well,
They're
that's
not
up
appointed
to,
him.
that's up to the court. That's not up
The
to me.
courts
I'm
themselves
purely-
said that he was only an interim deputy.
Well, then if that's what they said. I can't second guess
Look,
what the
miss,
judges
look,
have said.
look, miss, the reality is this, that Adalat's agenda is not in Talib's best interest. Alright? His agenda is to take as much money out of the situation for himself. Talib has told me since I've come back, in my absence, he's been abusing him. Alright? He's spat in his open mouth, he slapped him on the face while he was sat on there. Alright? These are very shocking things that he said. And yet none of this seems to be taken notice of. He himself does not visit today. Though I was surprised that he's come down today. I did ask him, how come you've come down today? Not knowing the fact that yourselves will be coming down. That is the reality. He's not even informed us. I've told him as a matter of courtesy, just let me know. And then he's trying to blame everything to me. And also he's looking to leverage the criminal conviction that the local authority have secured against me in order regarding failure to provide Talib with support. Well, I don't see any support going in place in my absence. You know, this is a concern for me as well. But focusing in on Adalat, his conduct and behaviour is not in the best interest of Talib. And so he's now handing you papers regarding court orders that have been put in place regarding my conviction, but the reality is that nothing in my absence, what has been put in place for Talib? Talib has suffered as a consequence of this.
I think that the Office of Public Guardians asked for this to be
Yes.
brought, and it's
Yes.
on my papers that
Yes.
I'm required to look at it. You
Yes.
said I can take it, haven't you?
Yeah.
So I will post that on to them. But
Yeah.
I suppose it's in relation to the aspect of protection of money.
Yes, but the local authority have quite conveniently convicted me, yes, but they're not providing him with any support.
Yeah, and
You've seen the state that he's living in now. He's living in absolute squalor. I cannot be held responsible for that. I'm not his carer. They've taken that right away from me.
Yeah. So it's about separating the health and welfare
Yes.
side,
Yes.
except where there's a financial
Element. Yes.
element. So, for instance, paying for care. So the thing that needs to happen is for social services to come in
Mhm.
and decide with family
Yes.
that over